So, good day everyone. This is the continuation lang po nung diniscuss ni Miss April Baldon. So, the next po is Rizal's family. So, parent of Rizal's are Mr. Francisco Mercado Rizal and Mrs. Teodora Alonso Rialonda. So, Francisco Mercado Rizal was born on May 11, 1818 in Binan, Laguna. So he was graduate of the College of San Jose in Manila, studying Latin and philosophy. Francisco moved to Calamba to become a tenant farmer of a hacienda owned by the Dominicans. So Francisco died at the age of 80 on January 5, 1898 in Manila. So about his father, Jose Rizal says that he is a model of fathers. Studied at Latin and philosophy at Colegio de San Jose in Manila. He is married Teodora Alonso Rialonda and they had 11 children, including Jose Rizal. So he worked as a farmer in Calamba and was known as hardworking, religious, and intelligent. So he valued education and taught his children discipline and love for learning. So he did on January 5, 1898 in Manila. Rialonda, 1827 to 1911, was the mother of Dr. Jose Rizal. She was smart, religious, and strong. Siya ang unang teacher ni Rizal, nagturo ng reading prayer at love for education. Kahit nakulong siya ng di makatarungan, nanatili siyang matatag. So dahil sa kanya, naging inspirasyon si Rizal sa kanyang buhay at laban para sa bayan. So next is the Rizal's 11 children. So first children is Saturnina Rizal. So from 1850 to 1913. So Saturnina Rizal, she was known as Saturnina Hidalgo, also known as Nining. She was the eldest sister of Jose Rizal. She was married to Manuel Timoteo Hidalgo, a negative and one of the rich person in Tanuan, Batangas. She died in September 14, 1913. So si Saturnina Rizal was the eldest sister of Jose Rizal. She was caring and supporting, laging tumutulong sa pamilya at sa studies ni Rizal. So she married Manuel Hidalgo from Batangas. As the panganay, she helped manage the family and supported Rizal all throughout his life. So second is Pasiano Rizal from 1851 to 1930. So only brother of Jose Rizal and the second child. So studied at San Jose College in Manila, became a farmer and later a general of the Philippine Revolution. He devotedly took care of Jose Rizal. As Nick Waken said, without Pasiano to back him up, it's doubtful that Rizal would have gotten as far as he reached. So he was intelligent, brave, and deeply involved in the fight against Spanish rule. Siya ang nagbigay gabay at suporta kay Rizal sa studies at sa kanyang writings. So after Rizal's death, Pasiano continued to struggle for freedom as a revolutionary general in the Philippine Revolution. So next is Narcisa Rizal. The third child, she married Antonio Lopez at Morong Rizal, a teacher and musician. So si Narcisa Rizal po was the third sister of Jose Rizal. She was kind, supportive, at matulungin sa pamilya. She helped in financing Rizal's studies and even searched for his body after her execution in Bagumbayan. So she married Antonio Lopez, a teacher from Moro. So next is Olympia Rizal. So Olympia Rizal, the fourth child, married Silvestre Ubaldo. Olympia died in August 1887 at the age of 32 due to childbirth. So also, Olympia Rizal was Jose Rizal's older sister. So she was simple, kind, and very close to Rizal. So kinasal siya kay Silvestre Ubaldo, who worked as a telegraph operator. So Olympia is also supported Rizal in his studies, but she died young at the age of 32. Next po is Lucia Rizal. So si Lucia Rizal was one of Jose Rizal's sister. So she married Mariano Herbosa na pinaghinalaang supporter ng mga Filipino reformist when her husband died. So the church refused to bury him in a Catholic cemetery dahil sa political issues. Despite this, Lucia stayed strong and continued supporting Rizal and the family. So next is Maria Rizal. So Maria Rizal, the sixth child, married Daniel Faustino Cruz of Binyan, Laguna. So si Maria Rizal po was caring and supportive, laging kasama ng pamilya sa pagtulong kay Rizal. So 7 is Dr. Protasio Rizal. So si Dr. Jose Rizal na po ito. So Dr. Jose Rizal, the second son and the seventh child, the greatest Filipino hero and peerless genius. So he was born on June 19, 1861. His nickname was Pepe. So during his exile in Dapitan, he lived with Josephine Bracken. So Irish girl from Hong Kong. He was executed by the Spaniard on December 30, 1896. So Dr. Protasio Rizal is the Philippine national hero. He was a doctor, writer, and reformist who fought for freedom through peaceful means like these novels No Limitang Here and El Filibusterismo. Rizal promoted education, equality, and a love for country. So on December 30, 1896, He was executed in Bagumbayan, and his martyrdom inspired Filipinos to continue the fight for independence. Next is Concepcion Rizal. So, he was one of the younger sister of Jose Rizal. She was called Concha by her family. She died at the young age of 3 years old, and her death deeply saddened Rizal, who was very close to her. So, itong kapatid ni Jose Rizal na si Concepcion Rizal, maaga siyang namatay. So, next is Josefa Rizal. So, the ninth child, an epileptic dead spinster. So, she is nicknamed as Panggoy. So, after Jose was executed, Josefa joined the Katipunan. So, she was one of the original 29 women admitted to the Katipunan along with Gregoria de Jesus, wife of Andres Bonifacio. So, si Josefa Rizal, she became a member of the Katipunan, showing her patriotism and support for the revolution. So, she lived a long life and was remembered for her courage and loyalty to her family and country. So, next is Trinidad Rizal. So, she was never married, hindi siya kinasal, and was very close to her brother. So, siya ang pinagbilinan ni Rizal ng huling message niya sa loob ng alcohol lamp bago siya barilin. So, she lived long and helped preserve Rizal memory and legacy. So, the last is Soledad Rizal. So, si Soledad Rizal married at Pantaleon Quintero. She was a teacher and was probably the best educated among Jose's sisters, which made Jose very proud of her. So she was a teacher and married Pantaleon Quintero of Calamba, known as Choleng. So she was supportive and of Rizal and their family. So she lived a family life while continuing to honor the legacy of her brother. So that's all. Thank you.